So we're going to put this together. I'm not quite sure what's all in here, but we'll find out. Might be easier than it looks. Okay, it's got directions. We may need those. All right, let's take a look at this. Okay, yeah. Oh, gee, oh, it looks easy. I think we can do it. You guys want to take a screenshot? Go ahead. All right, I'm in the kitchen because that's where the best light is. There's a couple parts there. And there's the, look at that. All right, so that's that. Get this out of here. Oh, I see how that works. So that just snaps on there, right there, right? Okay. All right, so we're going to put this together. I think it just pops off like that. I'll set that there. Put this off of here. That's the seat. Oh! All right, let's put that right there. All right, now we got to get these pieces. They're kind of all smushed together, so I gotta take the. I'll show you. See, they got this stuff on them. You can unwrap them like that. Here's one. And oh my God. Okay. All right. So these are the you can change this where you want them, like that. All right. There's this one here. It's got 2 screws. We're going to need those, I do believe. Oh, it's got an Allen wrench. Oh, okay, that's good. It's got 1 screw. All right, so we got 1 screw. And it comes with an Allen wrench. Right, so these are the 2 sides here. You see how they look? So let's set those there. And then we have a front area like this, which I do believe that these go into. So that's going to set there. And then we got this thing here, right? All right, so let's figure it out. Let's figure this thing out. Part is out. And so if you look here, we're going to set that in there, just like this. These 2 are going to go right in there. All right, so I've got to take this, and this I believe is going to go in here, like that. I mean, and I'm going to push this in. Yeah, there we go. We got one in. Let me show you. All right, so that's in. Now we got to do this one. So it's going to go right in there like this. Just like that. Got it. And then we got to push this so it slides in. Follow me? There we go. And bam. And then this one here, I can slide down to right about there, I think. Just got to get the popper in there. There we go. All right, so that's that, right? Now this is going to go across, okay? Just to show you. Goes across like that. See that? And then that goes on top of it. Pretty simple. All right, let's do that. So this all right, so they got those on there. I do believe it's going to go in here, right there, right like that. All right, got to do a little more research here. They gave me an extra one of these and this to connect it. Right, so these have to come out of here. So we got to go lefty-loosey and pull them all out. I got 4 of them to do. And then we got to put them in down here in these holes. You follow me? So I got to take that out, slide it through here, and then screw it in here. So that's what we're doing right now. There's one. Let's see if this works faster. There we go. Just got to get it out far enough where I can get my fingers on it. You know what I mean? Like that. These directions leave. They don't even tell you how to do it. It's ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna need this. Because it's a little tight there. It's tight coming out. Almost out. Good, got it. Okay, let's flip it over. Gotta get these 2 out. This one's already coming. So we're good on that one, but that one I gotta work on. That's probably why they give you an extra screw. Alright, here we go. Oh, this one's loose, good. I think I can do it with my finger now. I think if I put 2 sides in, that this will hold. Okay, that's it right there. So the tricky thing is I got to get it on there and then put this through and screw it into that. And then you see how these are concave, that's the fit around there. So that's what we're going to try right now. All right, so this is going to go through here like that. And I'm going to put it right into there. Just like that. All right, and then we just got to tighten it down. Now follow me? So these go right in here in these little holes. I just slide it in like that. And then we just gotta tighten it down. All right, so there's 4 of these sides and I've done the other 3. Save you the hassle of watching me do all of them. But that's it. And you can see them, there's one there. There's one there, one here, one there. And that sets right on top like that, okay? And this, I do believe, will go, I think this way. Yeah, just like that. That way it goes up and down. And that's it right there. I'm ready to go to the bathroom now. All right, that's it, man. What do you think? Put it together. Pretty simple.